an environmental activist and Cop City protester, Manuel Paez Terán, was shot 57 times by police during a demonstration at a controversial police and firefighter training site in Atlanta, Georgia. The autopsy report showed gunshot wounds all over his body, including the head, torso, hands, and legs. Police claimed that Terán fired a gun, injuring a state trooper during the incident. However, his family has disputed these claims and stated that they will file a lawsuit to force the police to release more information. Manuel Paez Terán, 26, went by the name Tortuguita and used they/them pronouns. On January 18, 2023, Terán was protesting at the site of a proposed 85-acre, $90 million police and firefighter training center, known as Cop City, by its critics. The protests over the proposed training center in Atlanta had grown violent over the winter. During a separate protest in March, Atlanta police arrested and charged 23 people with domestic terrorism offenses. The Georgia Bureau of Investigation claimed that ballistics evidence suggested the injured trooper was shot with a bullet from a gun that belonged to Terán, which was purchased in 2020. However, the state autopsy found no gunpowder residue on Terán's clothes or around any of the gunshot wounds. This finding suggests that Terán did not fire a gun, contradicting the police's claims. The DeKalb County medical examiner could not confirm Terán's position at the time of the shooting, stating that most shootings involving multiple gunshots are dynamic events, making it challenging to determine an accurate position. Terán's family released the results of their independent autopsy, which claimed Terán was shot with their hands raised. The family intends to file a lawsuit to force police to release more information regarding the incident, as there was no body camera footage of the event. Manuel Paez Terán's death has raised questions about police brutality and excessive use of force during protests. The controversial Cop City training center has been a subject of protests in Atlanta, with many criticizing its purpose and cost. The conflicting reports about Terán's death indicate the need for transparency and accountability from law enforcement agencies. The family's intention to file a lawsuit to obtain more information is crucial in holding those responsible accountable for Terán's death.